Instagram maintains itself and earns money by selling advertising blogs within its platform. These blogs can be seen in both the feed and the stories as you navigate on Instagram. Most advertisers choose Instagram advertising to reach a very specific audience who may be highly interested in your product or service. There are several tools to create advertising for Instagram. It can be from the same app, with an ad clerk, or with specialized companies. The first thing you need to do is connect your profile to your Facebook account, as this advertising is done through it. Plan your goals and define precisely the type of audience. Instagram allows you to split between location, demographic data, interests, behaviors, customized publish, or similar, or you can use automatic segmentation. Now, you must choose what type of advertising you will perform. If you choose the image ad, you can display your product and in some cases the price or a promotion. You also have the option of video ad and another on carousel, in which you publish several images. There is also the collection ad. These are those that look like a template with a large image and below another of products that can be combined with the main image. Finally, you can choose the stories either with videos or with images, which have a default size. Choose content with something that calls for action, for example, see more, go to profile, buy, among others. You create the ad, you must have a Facebook fan page, allocate a limit of money to spend, define how long you want your promotion to be displayed. It must then wait for their approval and they monitor the statistics to know their results.